Hello, it's Carrie, your installation guide. I'm here to help you adapt your skirted toilet for the TUSHY Ace. When you have a skirted toilet, you'll need an angle valve adapter. You'll also need a 3/8 by 1/2 compression flexible hose. This is used to connect your TUSHY Ace to your fresh water supply, and you'll need an adjustable wrench. You can find the replacement kit on our spare parts page at hellotushy.com or at your local hardware store. And as always, you can reach out to your Poo-rus, our poop gurus, at aceinstall at hellotushy.com, and they'll be happy to help. First, if you haven't already, follow steps 1 and 2 in the TUSHY Ace install video by turning on your water supply and emptying your toilet tank. Now we're showing you steps 3 and 4. The toilet seat that we have here is a mounted toilet seat, and we have a video that goes in depth on how to remove it. It's linked in the description. Now it's time to use the adapter and hose. You'll detach the existing connection. Then take your adjustable wrench and detach the flexible steel hose from your angle valve. Take your angle valve adapter, attach it to your angle valve using the adjustable wrench. Next, take your adjustable wrench and attach the bottom of the flexible steel hose to the top of the angle valve adapter. Finally, take your 3/8 by 1/2 flexible steel hose and attach it by turning clockwise with your wrench on the side connection of your angle valve adapter. Remember, do not over-tighten and always check for leaks. Then you can skip to step 5 of the normal TUSHY Ace install. As always, if you have questions or your plumbing doesn't look like this, reach out to your Poo-rus at aceinstall at hellotushy.com and we'll help you get installed in no time.